Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Weichert Realtors login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Weichert Realtors login, begin by navigating to the Weichert Realtors homepage. Look for the login area usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Forgot Password link, which is typically located beneath the login fields. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Weichert account. Ensure that you enter the correct email to avoid any issues. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Weichert. If you cannot find the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, open it and read the instructions carefully. You will find a link to reset your password in the email. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a secure password reset page. Enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure your new password meets any specified criteria for security. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the second field. After confirming, click on the Reset Password button. You will see a message confirming that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Weichert Realtors login page. Enter your email and the newly created password in the login fields. Click the Login button to access your account. You should now have access to your Weichert Realtors account with your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.